In the vast industrial sector, sawing is the first step in the production process across various industries. Boye Beifang Saw Industry Co., Limited, is an enterprise specializing in the field of sawing machines and saw blades. Its products are applied in scenarios ranging from small-scale steel processing to the manufacturing of high-precision products such as ships and aerospace materials. Boye Beifang Saw Industry Co., Limited, has shifted its mindset from a production and sales-oriented enterprise to a service-oriented one. Committed to providing customers with cost-effective products through high-precision products and differentiated services, it owns independent brands such as SAWTX, Ujicom, Yomacom, and JIJU, covering products like bimetal bandsaw blades, carbide bandsaw blades, diamond bandsaw blades, and high-speed woodworking alloy saw blades. With over 30 years of popularity in the market, its customers are spread all over the country, and its products are exported to more than 40 countries and regions, including the United States, Australia, and Southeast Asia, winning high praise from customers at home and abroad. SAWTX provides customers with high-quality sawing products, sawing technical guidance and comprehensive after-sales service, as well as sawing solutions for customers with personalized needs.
We adhere to the principle of treating customers well and providing value to them.